Hello, I'm Tilly and this is week 7 of £5 Friday. Now, as you can see, this week I did my shopping at Asda and I spent £4.95. So I do hope you're joining along with £5 Friday. It's all about buying in foods for our prepping pantry, so if things get a bit short, we've got something to fall back on. And I'm planning to spend £5 a week, there or thereabouts. It's not ever going to be exact, but around about £5. But you can spend whatever you want. You can spend £1, £2, £3, whatever you want, whatever your budget will allow you to spend. Just buy a few extra bits and put away in a cupboard or in a prepping pantry or in a box, and just keep it for when things get a little bit difficult. Because sometimes in life things get a bit tough. You know, if there's an illness or something happens and money is very tight, or food is hard to get hold of, you've got a little bit of prepping pantry to fall back on. So that's the idea of this £5 Friday, to show you just how quickly you can build up a nice little store of food and groceries. So Asda's at £4.95 this week, and I'll just zoom out so you can see exactly what I've got here. So we've got the Just Essentials gravy granules for 32p. And I really do like this Just Essentials food. Most of it is really, really good. There are a few bits that we don't like, but most of it is really good. So we've got some chunky chicken in white sauce for £1.25. We've got some long grain rice, microwave rice for 38p. And that will go nicely. You could just pour that over the top of the rice and you've got a lovely little meal there. So I've got another rice here, which is the whole grain. Again, 38p. Nice and easy, 2 minutes in the microwave. And then we've got the granola, which is really good. I like this granola. We all like this granola in our house. It's £1.10 for a kilo. And that's really good value. Now, when we use it, when we eat it, we do put a little bit more fruit, some dried fruit and maybe some nuts. Whatever we've got to hand, really. If we've got some fresh fruit that needs using, we'll put that on the top. It's really lovely. But £1.10 for a kilo is excellent value. We've got a tin of rice pudding for 25p. And a tin of pineapple pieces in light syrup for 49p. And that's a big old tin. That's 565 grams total. The drained weight is 340 grams. It's really good value. And then some paracetamol, 2 packets of paracetamol for 39p for 16 tablets or caplets. So always handy to get a few extra bits of the medicines in. So that's my shop this week. And that is the week 7 at Asda and £4.95. So do let us know if you're joining in and what you're buying with your weekly shop to put away in your prepping pantry. And hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.